Hi everyone, I hope you all are having a great time with your friends and family. Since it's Diwali, I thought why not share three of my festive looks with you guys. So I haven't worn any kind of traditional outfit for the longest time, and I decided this Diwali I have to get some traditional outfits for myself. So I did buy a few. I would love for you guys to let me know which one's your favorite. Do let me know which outfit do you like the most. And that's it. That's all the video is going to be about. Wishing you a very happy Diwali once again. Have a great day.